Chotu was a little explorer. He loved jungle adventures. Every day he explored new places. One day he was walking happily. Suddenly he heard a sound. It was a soft crying sound. Chotu stopped and listened. He looked all around. Then he saw someone. It was a baby elephant. The elephant looked very sad. He was sitting all alone. Chotu went closer slowly. He asked, "What happened?" The elephant was crying. "I lost my mother," he said. "I can't find her anywhere." Chotu felt very sad. He wanted to help him. "Don't worry," said Chotu. "I will help you." They started searching together. They walked through the jungle. Soon they met a monkey. Chotu asked for help. "Have you seen an elephant?" The monkey thought a little. "Yes, near the river," he said. Chotu felt hopeful again. They ran towards the river. The river water was fast. They could not cross it. Chotu started thinking. Then he got an idea. He found a big wooden log. He made a small bridge. Slowly they crossed safely. On the other side they saw her. It was the mother elephant. They were happy again. It was a waddler elephant. Chotu was a little explorer.